Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, my AtLab Tutor. Today I am going to start Excel chapter 3, EXP22 Excel chapter 3 ML1 airports. You can see here I am going to start my AtLab class assignment Excel chapter 3. You can see here. Okay. First of all, I am going to do the first step. Start Excel, download it and open the file name EXP22 Excel chapter 1. Okay, here is the first step. Start Excel file exp22 Excel chapter 3 ml1 airports. Okay, if you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment many times for my many students. Okay, with 100% grades. Okay, now I'm going to do the first step. Excel chapter 1 exp22 Excel chapter 1 ml3 report. Here is my Excel worksheet. I already downloaded it. Okay, I have done the step number 1. Now I'm going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 3. Okay, so step number 2. Create a cluster column chart from the range for the ranges A4 to L10 and cut the chart and paste into cell A15. Okay, now I'm going to do the step number 2. Create a cluster column chart and range A4 to L2. Now I'm going to select the ranges from A4 to L4, A4 to L10. Here I'm going to select the ranges A4 to L10. Selected the range. Now I'm going to insert the cluster column chart. Okay, here is my chart list and I am going to insert the cluster column chart. Here is all chart and here is column chart and cluster column chart. Okay, I have done the step number 2. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 3. In here, now you want to customize column chart with the chart title. Display the GS as a data. First type the passenger count. Okay, now I'm going to do the add the chart title. Type passenger count top US airports. Okay, now I'm going to type the title passenger count at top US airport. Okay, you can see here. Here is my chart title. I'm going to do it. I have done. Okay, I have pasted, copy and paste the chart title. Now swap the data on the category axis in the legend. Okay, so you can see here. You can see here. Now I'm going to do the next step. Here is okay. Search column. Okay, add it. And I'm going to swap the data. Okay, I swap the data. You can see here. Okay, now I'm going to set the height and width for the chart. Height 3.1 and okay, you are seeing here in format tab. Now after selecting the chart in the format tab, I'm going to set the width and height for the chart. Okay, here I'm going to change 3.5 and the 11. Okay, you can see here I have changed the width and the height for the chart. Now I'm going to apply the chart style 7. Here is my chart style in the format group, sorry, chart design. Now I'm going to change the chart style. Chart style is 7. You can see here I have applied the chart style. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 4. Change and display. Okay, the value axis take a lot of space for the numbers. Change the display unit to million and for the axis. Okay, now I'm going to do the step number 4. Change the display unit to million for the value axis. Added the axis title from to display million. Now I'm going to change the display million for the value axis. Now I am going to change the axis to the million. Our today's assignment is Excel chapter 3 ML1 airport. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me. I have completed this assignment for my previous students with 100% grades and I deal with them quality. Okay, now I'm going to do change the okay display unit to million. You can see here I change the display unit to million. Okay, and now added the access title to display million of passenger. Okay, now I'm going to do the next. Added the access title to display the million of passenger. Okay, you can see here. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment many times for my many students, okay, with 100% grades. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. Now I am going to edit the access title. Okay, here I am going to chart element, and here is my access title. I select it, and now I am going to edit title with million of passengers. You can see here I have completed the step number 4. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 5. I have completed the step number 4. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 5. You want to focus on 2019 data series by adding data label. Okay. Added the access data label to million of passenger. Okay, you can see here I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 5. I am going to do the major assignment of my ATLab class. I am EXP22 Excel chapter 3 ML1 airport. If you need to this solution, I have 100% solution of this assignment. I already completed this solution for this assignment for my many students. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 5. You want to focus on 2019 data series. Display the data label above the column. Okay, and for 2019 series only. Okay, now I am going to do the step number 5. Display the data label above the column outside and the 2019 data series only. Okay, now I am going to do the step number 5. You can see here I am dealing many students with 100% grades. Okay, I have done also. Now I am going to do the step number 5. Display the data label above the column. Okay, you can see here I have completed solution of this assignment. If you need the solution of any assignment of my ATLab class, my ATLab mastering, my ATLab stats, my ATLab mathematics, I am always available here. You can find me through WhatsApp or email. I already put the WhatsApp and the email address in description. Okay, now I am going to complete the step number 5. Okay, display the data label above the column outside and okay. Now I am going to do the step number 5. My step number 5 is here. Display data label above the column. It's my step number 5 and outside the end position for 2019 data series. Okay, if you need the solution of this assignment, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. I have completed this assignment for my many students with 100% grades. If you need the solution of any my ATLab class, I am dealing the many classes for different students according to their requirements. Okay, I am dealing my ATLab mastering, my ATLab mathematics, my ATLab stats, accounting and finance also. I am sure you can trust me for the quality grades. Okay, you can see here I am going to do the step number 5 or EXP22 Excel chapter 3 ML1 airports. Okay, now you can see here I am going to move to my Excel worksheet. Okay, here I am going to display the data label above the column. You can see here I am going to do the step number 5. Here is my Excel worksheet. You can see here I already inserted a chart and now I am going to data label and outside and position. You can see here I have applied the data position outside from the chart. I have completed the step number 5. Now I am going to move for my there is another point of the step number 5. Apply the light gradient asset 1 gradient fill color to the chart area. Now I am going to the fill color for the chart area. You can see here apply the light gradient as set 1 gradient fill. Now you can see here I am going to apply the asset 1 light gradient asset fill color for the chart area. Now I am going to move for the chart area. You can see here, here is my step number 5. I am going to apply the light gradient asset 1 gradient fill color for the chart area. Asset 1 gradient fill color for the chart area. For made plot area, you can see here. Now I am going to fill color gradient fill color and asset 1 gradient fill color, and have done. I have completed the step number 5. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step, after completing the step number 6, now I am going to move for my next step. Step number 7. Okay, add all text with the column chart display the number of passengers. Okay, you can see here I am going to do the step number 7. I am going to add all text. Okay, all text in the column chart display the number of passengers. Okay, now I am going to do the step number 7. I am going to add the alt text. I already copied it and going to paste in. By selecting right click and in the chart area I am going to find the box for the edit and copy and paste, and now I have done. I have completed the step number 7. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 8. Create a cluster bar chart for the ranges A5 to A10 and L5 to L10 and move the chart to a chart sheet named bar chart. Okay, you can see here I am going to do the step number 8. Create a cluster column chart. Okay, create a cluster bar chart, by selecting the ranges, okay, from A5 to A10 and L5 to L10, and I am going to insert a cluster bar chart and move the chart to a new sheet name, that's bar chart. Okay, I am going to do the step number 8 by inserting color bar chart. Here I am going to insert a chart. Here is bar chart. Okay, have done. Now I am going to move this chart to a new sheet bar chart and have okay, I have done. I have completed the step number 8, and now after completing the step number 8, now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 9. You want to customize the bar chart. Change the chart color to monochromatic plate. Now I am going to do the step number 9. Change the chart color to monochromatic plate. Okay, now I am going to change the chart color according to instruction. You can see here in the step number 9. Change the chart color to monochromatic plate. Enter passenger at top 6 US airport in OK. I am going to do the step number 9. You can see here. Change the chart color to monochromatic plate. OK. I am doing the EXP22 Excel chapter 3 ML1 airport. I am going to add the step number 9. Change the chart color to monochromatic plate. Okay. Change the chart color to monochromatic plate 5. Okay, I am going to do the change the chart color according to instruction. I am going to change. Here is my chart color and it's applied monochromatic plate 5. Okay, you can see here I have applied the monochromatic plate 5. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going to enter the passenger at top 6 US airport in 2019. Okay, now I am going to move for my next point. Enter passenger at the top 6 US airport in 2019. Okay, enter passenger at top 6 US airport. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going to do the next step. Enter. I am going to copy and paste the title in as the chart title. Okay, have done. Passenger at the top 6 US is the chart title. Apply the style 5 for the chart style. Okay, now I'm going to change the chart style. Apply the style 5 for the chart style. Here is style 5. Okay, I have done. And add the alt text. Now I'm going to add the alt text. Alternate head. Okay, right click and find the all text box, copy and paste. Okay, have done. Okay, I have completed the step number 9. Now I'm going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 10. Modify the axis will improve relatively for the bar chart. Okay, after completing the step number 9, I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 10. Change the font size for to 10 for the category axis and the value axis. Okay, now I am going to change the font size for font size to 10. Now you can see here, after completing the step number 9, I am going to move for next step. Change the font size to the 10 for the category axis and the value axis, and also change the value axis maximum bound. Now I am going to do the first point of the step number 10. Change the font size of the 10 for the category axis and value axis. Now I am going to move for the change the font size for the category axis and value axis. Change the font size to 10 for the category axis and the value axis. Okay. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have completed this assignment recently for many students with 100% grades. You can trust me for quality grades. Okay, I am going to do the EXP22 Excel chapter 3 ML1 airports. Okay, now I am going to change the font size 10 for the category axis and the value axis. You can see here, I am going to change the font size for the value axis and the category axis. Here is my value axis. Okay, you can see here, and after it I am going to change the, okay, I have done. Okay, and change the value axis maximum bound to 1.1e8. Okay, now I am going to change the value axis bound 1.1. Okay, you can see here, here is format axis and the maximum bound for the, okay, I have changed the maximum bound. I have done. Okay, I have completed the step number 10. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 11. Okay, I am format the alternate point to the dark blue fill color. In the step number 11, I am going to format the Atlanta data point with dark blue fill color. Now I am going to change the fill color for the Atlanta data point. Okay, I am going to do this one. Here is my step number 11 of EXP22 Excel chapter 3 ML1 airport. It's a great assignment of my IT lab class. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can text me. I have done this assignment for my recently students with 100% grades. I can deliver quality grades also for you. Okay, now I'm going to do, here is my Atlanta data series. I selected it and the fill color for the dark blue. Okay, here is dark blue. I have done. I changed the fill color for the Atlanta data point is fill dark blue. Now add the primary banner vertical grid line. Now I am going to change the primary banner vertical grid line. Here is chart element and here is grid line and more option is here. Okay, primary banner vertical grid line. I have completed the step number 11. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 12. Create a line chart by using the ranges A4 to L10 in passenger worksheet and move the chart. Okay, now I am going to start a line chart by selecting the ranges A4 to L10. Here is my data work series. I am going to A4 to L10 is here. Selected the ranges. Now I am going to insert a line chart in recommended charts. Here is my line chart. Okay, all chart, line chart is here, and I am going to, okay, I have inserted the line chart and move this chart to a new sheet, line chart. Okay, now I am going to move this chart in chart design tab, move chart, and new sheet is here, line chart. Okay, I have moved the chart to a new sheet name. Okay, and chart title, add the chart title passenger US airport. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going to add the chart title passenger at US airport. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going to add the chart title. Chart title is here. I am going to copy and paste the chart title inside in this chart. Okay, I have done. You can contact me through WhatsApp or email if you need the solution of this assignment. I have 100% solution of this assignment. You can see here I have completed. You can see here I am going to complete the EXP22 Excel chapter 3 ML1 airport. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have mostly done the assignment. Okay, if you want the solution of any my IT lab assignment, weekly assignment, quizzes or final exams, you can trust me for quality grades. I always deliver 100% solution for my all students, 100% grades for my all students. Okay, I am dealing whole my IT lab classes from 7 to 8 year. You can trust me for the quality.